Have you ever wondered what truly lies beneath the surface of your favorite luxury sofa? It is not just fabric and foam, it is a masterpiece of industrial engineering. Today we are taking you inside a state-of-the-art factory to witness the birth of a high-end sofa. From the raw strength of solid oak frames to the surgical precision of CNC cutting technology, every millimeter is designed for a lifetime of comfort. In this video, you will see the tension of industrial steel springs, the secret layers of high-density memory foam, and the delicate art of hand-stitched leather. This is where raw materials meet human craftsmanship. Get ready to see the full transformation. This is Factory Universal Nova.
It starts with raw wood and a simple idea. The transformation begins with powerful machines. Every joint must be strong. Now comfort begins. Everything must stay perfectly in place. Everything comes together. raw materials to comfort.
Subscribe for more transformation videos and factory processes. Factory Universal Nova.